Alone by Joe. In a quiet environment, I feel alone. Alone in the silence of peace that can break. I'll always remember my past life, past mistakes, and past action that can never be right anymore, that always wrong in their eyes. Every time I am alone in a dark place, I felt so depressed. I feel that I can do anything right. I always ask myself what I did that was so wrong. In the time of wandering, I always remember the person that always by my side. Even we are not blood related, but also him left me. Now I am alone in this world that full of cruelty and judgment of every person that I encounter.